Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be uploading a video of how to make avocado banana hair mask. I'm literally gonna mix up a couple of things for my hair because you guys requested this video and I haven't been able to do it because I had my hair on braids, but I took down my hair, hence the hair wrap. But yeah, I'm gonna be making this video and I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, right now I'm trying to clean out some things. I'll see you guys pretty soon. Okay, bye. Okay guys, I'm back and right now I want to start off with this hair mask thing. And this is what I have. I have the coconut oil. I have my not so fresh avocado and honey. I was gonna go a little bit crazy. Maybe I should add banana to this. Do I add banana? That's begin from here. Maybe I should add banana to this. I will still have to determine that over time. But right now, let's get into this, guys, because I have a couple of things to do. So I'm using this avocado this week because, I'm using it on my hair anyways. I'm not eating it. So why not? And it doesn't mean it doesn't still have its good properties or whatever I needed from it. So guys, I'm doing this, making this hair mask, one, because you guys asked for it, and secondly because I just took down my braids like I was saying earlier, and I just wanna, I've had it in for like a month or so, a month or so, yeah. So that's why I wanna like, get something, like take care of my hair. It's like I've missed my hair for a month. So I went ahead and added some honey, just as much as you want, I guess. And I'm gonna add some coconut oil. Just a little bit. If you want to blend this up, you can do that. I just don't want to get into that. I'm gonna mash it up with my spoon. Doesn't look yucky. So, talking to my cameraman. Let's keep going till whenever. So guys, this is what it looks like when I'm done. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on my hair. See you guys. So guys, I'm about to show you guys my hair. This is what I'm working with. So this is what I'm working with, guys. It's I did use coconut. I did use onion ginger oil on my hair when I had the braids on, and I definitely see a lot of difference. It's not that significant, but I noticed a lot of difference in my hair texture on that. See that? I think I'm gonna lose a lot of hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add this hair mask section by section. Oh my god, this is cold. Oh. But I love it. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to see. I can't wait to see you. Shut up and do your hair. I'm gonna walk through the hair. It's so disgusting. With the teeth off. So I'm waiting for the end result. He got a mission. Oh, this feels so good. This feels so good, guys. So relaxing. I'm gonna get all of you. I'm getting out of it. This feels so good. I'm not joking. It's not for the video. It feels satisfying. It's touch, not maybe looking at it, it doesn't. Oh, you touch it? You want to touch it? No. It feels so good, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and massage my scalp, my fingers. Do you guys see that? For some reason it drew my hair into colors. Do you guys see that, guys? Look. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. I know I probably have a couple of this on my shirts, but it's what it is. That's it. I'll put this over it. Very good with hair softening and repair of damaged hair. I'm gonna wear this up for probably an hour or so. Go ahead and do breakfast, and I'll see you guys. So guys, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go wash it off right now and then get ready for what I have to do. I'll see you guys soon. It definitely feels soft. It definitely defined my curls. Can you see that? So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it off and see what I'm working with. I'll see you guys soon. This is my hair. I've gone out. I've done what I have to do for the day. But this is what I have. Yeah.